guys, welcome to my Motofit Adam channel. Today we are gonna discuss about the survival in the traffic. How am I surviving in the traffic? How am I avoiding the traffic jam? And what sort of techniques that I'm using while I am driving in the traffic, and how I am protecting my body against the cars, against the pedestrians. Drive safely and securely in the traffic. Today I'm gonna talk you guys about these issues, how I am driving in my motorbike while in the traffic, what sorts of things I'm doing in the traffic. I'm gonna talk about them today, you guys. And also it's a really sunny weather today in Izmir. Very nice weather next to the seaside, next to the sea coast, and nice traffic up in here, you know. And also I'm gonna discuss with you guys about these issues, how I am driving in the traffic, how safely I'm going in the traffic. I'll talk you guys with these issues, and hope you're gonna enjoy my video, and hope you're gonna learn some new techniques and skills on these motorbikes. Now when the traffic is gone, I'm gonna start moving. Right now I'm in the neutral position on my bike. First thing first, you guys, you know, you need to put a gap in between the cars, because the cars can, you know, when you follow a car in very close distance, there might be some kind of problems on the road, and you can drop your motorcycle on the road. So you know, you shouldn't follow the car very closely. Always put a distance between the car. Right now I'm, you know, crossing the cars, but always be careful when they open the doors. Always look for them. If they open the doors, you know, you might be in danger, because you are not like a car, you know. Your body should survive in traffic, you know. So this means that, you know, your body should survive in traffic. Is like you are not like a car. When you crash, some dangerous things, some danger is gonna happen to your engine or brake, you know, brake part of your car, brake panel, or whatever it is. This is the taxi driver space, I guess. Do not get into that part. Always behave like a car on your motorbike. Do not give space so much to the cars. Do not follow them very closely, because they can brake, you know, immediately. Or, you know, when you see a pedestrian, also when you see some pedestrian as well, you should be careful while you are driving your motorbikes. So, you know, you're gonna be the shock observer. You know, when a car opens the doors and when you crash them, you're gonna be the one which will damage your body. So please guys, stay safe, stay healthy on your motorbikes, and behave like a car. But you know, always do not follow them in their back. Like the things that I'm doing right now is correct, because I put a gap, one car gap. So if he does some movements, I'll just go like this, you know. I'll just stay my body, or you know, if there's a gap, if there's something on the road, I'll just drive like that, you know. So always avoiding the dangers, and also behaving like a car. So these are the key issues if you wanna survive in the traffic, you know. Use the security, and when you need, you know, you can just like horn if they wanna open the doors or something like that, you know. Always horn the cars. You know, this taxi driver is like stopping. Maybe his pedestrian is gonna go out, maybe not. So be careful, you guys. And also, do not press the water that much, because it can ski your tires. Okay, guys. So do not drop your bike to the water that much on the road, because your back tires, rear tires can ski like. And if you're gonna use the secure lane, like this is the secure lane, like the right lane, always drive safely, always drive slowly, because a car can jump on this lane. And also this lane is not suitable for anyone else, because it's for the emergency cars. So you can use the emergency lane, but if you need it really so much. So these are the things that I would like to describe you guys. Now there's a traffic jam upon us, and how am I gonna act in this jam? I'm like driving like a car, as you can see. You know, it's the secure way to drive like a car. You know, that white car just changed the lane by signaling. I saw it, you saw it as well. I'm not driving like that motorbike, but if I really need it, I will drive like him. But right now I'm driving like a car, okay? Because I find this really safe way to drive. I don't really mind my rear followers. I don't really mind them, because this is just like a car, you know. This is a vehicle, in short. So you can behave like a car. Doesn't really matter, you know. It doesn't really matter. So you know, so these are the things that I would like to tell you guys. Do not follow the cars so closely, and also always behave. Always do not accelerate that much. You know, do not speed up. When necessary, speed up, because we are like saving our asses, right? So when we save the asses, we need to be fast. We need to be quick, right? I think they are doing some repairing stuff to the road, so they are diverting the lanes, splitting the lane to the two sides. So there's a little bit traffic jam today, but not much. A little bit, as I told you guys. Always obey the rules. Always obey the traffic rules. You know, if it says go with 50 kilometers per hour, just follow the rules. Follow the rules like cars, and behave like a car or motorbike as well. And these are the techniques to be safe and securely drive on the motorcycle, guys. And these are my opinion. As you know, I've been driving motorbike from the age of 13. You know. So these are the techniques that I learned so far. 13 years old to 31 is like 18 years experience. I'm not a teacher, I'm not like a supervisor, you know, I'm not a professor on the motorcycle, but I want to give you guys short advice how you're gonna drive safely during the traffic and securely on the traffic. So these are the things I would like to tell you guys. Hope you guys enjoy my video. Hope you guys benefit from my video for tips for car driving, for motorbike safety during the traffic jam. I hope you benefit from this video, you guys, and thumbs up if you like it. And guys, do not change the lanes that much, because lane changing is gonna make some difficulties for you guys. Maybe there will be a blind spot and you're not gonna able to see that. the blind spot, and you're gonna crash to the next car coming towards you or beside you. Always when you change a lane, if you are gonna change a lane to the left, please look at the left. If you guys gonna change the lane to the right, please look at the right. And if you think a car is coming really fast behind you, you can follow them from your mirrors, but at the same time you can follow with your body by looking at them. Alright guys? So these are the things that I like to describe you guys all, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you're gonna put a like, you're gonna give a thumbs up for this video and the upcoming videos as well. Please do not please subscribe my channel, and please give a like to my channel, to the Motofit Adam channel. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy it so much.